All right, Mr. James in Bloggington. Okay. Quick question. Between the GP 1800R and the FX Cruiser, which handles rougher waters, swallows better, in your opinion? Oh, okay. Well, you're kind of asking the wrong question because both the GP and the FX share a lot in the design structure of the hull. All right. With the semi-arced coves, with the same, quite frankly, round bottom hull, same rounded outside chines. They both have a quartet of lifting strakes. In fact, the FX is effectively a larger version of the GP. And to that effect, both of those skis are going to track through rough water like a scalpel. It's going to shoot right across. But they're on top of the surface. And so you're going to feel everything. You're going to feel everything. Just chatter, 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 chatter. All right. The GP, to that effect, the GP is a lighter machine. It is a lighter machine. It is physically lighter. The Nano Excel 2 material is a lighter, thinner material. And so it reacts and oil cans and vibrates and shakes. With 2022, Yamaha went to a full SMC fiberglass hull, and that added weight, that added insulation to the FX. So the FX is going to have the same tracking characteristics. It's still going to track very true. It's not going to need a bunch of stupid hand play just to keep it straight like the Sea-Doos do. The Sea-Doos, you got to have rider input like this. And Yamaha, you can have your finger on it and just go absolutely cut through it. But the SMC fiberglass hull is going to absorb more of the jostles and the impact, and you yourself are not going to feel the fatigue as the rider. So I strongly recommend, if you're between the two and you're looking at rough water, go FX. Same powertrain, go FX. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.